Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and today I am doing another DIY clothing transformation. I am upcycling this elastic from my last video. If you want to check that out, you can click up here or down below. I'll leave a link for you. I really enjoyed making this dress. It's super easy to recreate and you can wear it anywhere, like the beach or on an outing. You can dress it up or dress it down, either way. I think you guys will enjoy this as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. To begin, I'm going to use a pattern that I used from the last clothing transformation video. I'll leave you a link so you can watch that video as well. This is actually where I got the elastic from. Now that you've got your pattern, you want to select your fabric, pin the pattern to the fabric. In this case, since I'm using a dress, I'm pinning the fabric on top of the dress. You can use chalk or a water-based marker to do your markings on the fabric. Next, you're gonna cut out the pattern piece that you've just marked, and either you can mark the seam allowance with a ruler or you can do it like me and just eyeball it. So I'll be adding 1/2 to the seam allowance. For this simple dress, you'll need a center front piece and 2 back pieces. So I quickly wanted to show you my mistake in this clip. I didn't check right from wrong. This fabric is super thin, so the pattern you can't really tell, but if you look closely you can see. You want to check that you're pinning right sides together. Now that you've established right from wrong, you want to pin your front and back side seams together. Excuse the mess, but this clip is super random. But I just wanted to show you the birds outside. The day was looking so pretty. It's just really nice to look out into nature. But yes, now back to the video. Now that it's all sewn together, I'll attach the elastic to the dress. To attach the elastic, you want to pin and mark your front, back, and side seam. You want to do it on the wrong side because that's the part you will be attaching to the dress. And you also want to mark the front of the dress because that's the only one that didn't have a side seam. I have a little tip for marking the elastic, and that's something that I've learned in the past. You just want to fold your item, whatever it is that you want to mark, in half, and you just want to place a pin in the center of the creases. Once you open it, you can put your pins in safely. Once you marked everything down, you want to pin the elastic to the dress. Now it's ready to sew. Lastly, you want to finish the hem. I usually add a 1-inch seam allowance so you can fold it at half twice. Before I finished this project, I thought adding a pocket would be really nice. I love pockets, so this one was very simple and easy to do. Using the extra scrap fabric, I'm just cutting out a square and adding seam allowance to it. All I did to prep it was top stitch it all around. The top of the pocket, I stitched it at a half and the rest at a fourth. Now you can mark the placement for your pocket and sew it down to the dress. And there you go. It's all done.